Welcome back to the channel of Car Compass, where we explore the latest automotive innovations and futuristic machines transforming the road. Today, we're diving into something that's breaking the boundaries between electric mobility and luxurious off-grid living. We're talking about the all-new 2026 BYD Motahome, a marvel of engineering and design that blends the future of sustainable travel with comfort, technology, and high-end functionality like never before. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is BYD's ambitious leap into the next era of electric recreational vehicles, marking its first full-size ARO electric motorhome built to cater to modern nomads, tech-savvy explorers, and eco-conscious adventurers. The design reflects BYD's futuristic vision, featuring a smooth, aerodynamic silhouette with advanced solar panel integration on the roof, smart LED lighting, retractable side steps, and an automatic leveling system for easy parking and setup. The exterior design is minimalist but imposing, signaling a new class of RVs meant to compete with the best of Tesla and Mercedes in the electric lifestyle vehicle segment. Inside, the motorhome offers a high-end living experience. It comes equipped with premium upholstery, smart ambient lighting, and modular interior spaces that can shift from a lounge setting to a bedroom or workspace with ease. A large digital interface stretches across the dashboard and living wall, syncing directly with BYD's mobile app to give full control over lighting, temperature, security, battery management, and entertainment. The kitchen area is fitted with an induction stove, a compact smart refrigerator, and a water purification system that reclaims water from humidity and grey water recycling. The washroom includes a water-saving smart shower and eco-toilet system, catering to long-term stays in remote locations from a performance perspective. The 2026 BYD Motorhome impresses with its dual-motor or wheel drive setup powered by BYD's revolutionary blade battery technology. With a battery capacity of up to 180 kilowatt-hours, it delivers a range of approximately 480 to 520 kilometers on a single charge under real-world driving conditions. The motorhome also supports ultra-fast charging through BYD's next-gen charging platform, achieving up to 80% charge in just 40 minutes. Onboard solar panels can supply up to 3 kilowatts of power to sustain internal systems during off-grid camping scenarios. With a peak power output of over 400 horsepower and a torque-friendly low-end acceleration, it handles surprisingly well for a vehicle of its size. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride across rough terrain, and its regenerative braking improves efficiency and battery health over longer trips. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is also packed with smart safety and assistance features. It includes 360-degree camera systems, automated parking assist, AI-based driver monitoring, collision avoidance technology, and Level 3 autonomous driving for highway travel. Voice command integration works with major smart ecosystems, enabling voice-activated functions even when you are relaxing in bed or outside under the awning. Connectivity features such as Starlink, compatibility, Wi-Fi 6, and built-in 5G antennas ensure you're always connected. Whether parked by a forest or a remote desert plain, market availability is expected to begin in the second quarter of 2026. Across major regions, including China, Europe, and select parts of North America, BYD plans to roll out regional variants with minor configuration changes to comply with regional safety and charging infrastructure standards. Pricing has yet to be finalized, but early estimates suggest a starting price equivalent to around $170,000 to $200,000 USD, depending on trim, battery size, and customization. Leasing and fleet options for travel companies and luxury rental businesses will also be part of BYD's sales strategy. A limited edition Founders Series is expected to be announced soon with exclusive features and unique badging. What truly sets the 2026 BYD Motorhome apart is its seamless integration of clean energy, intelligent living, and futuristic design. It's a lifestyle solution as much as it is a vehicle, offering a new way to live, work, and explore the world without compromise. It reflects the growing desire for mobility that's both sustainable and luxurious, ideal for digital nomads, adventure seekers, and families who want the freedom to travel without losing the comforts of home. So, whether you're dreaming of remote mountain adventures, cross-country expeditions, or just a smarter way to live on the move, the 2026 BYD Motorhome could be the ultimate all-electric companion for your journey. That's it for today's feature here on Car Compass. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of future mobility and high-tech travel experiences.